Myself Naveen Kumar Chaudhary, and today I want to discuss about the chapter number 4, the Windows 7 operating system, subject computer, class 3, day 3. In the previous video I have discussed about the operating system, about the GUI. It means the graphical user interface. Graphical user interface provides the Windows operating system. It means Windows operating system provides graphical user interface. In this chapter, today I want to discuss about the desktop items. The icons are discussed. Today I want to discuss about the quick launch icons. In the taskbar there are some icons present, that is called the quick launch icons, that is commonly used to open the programs. It is directly, when we click on that icons, it directly open the program without opening the start menu, and opened program icon is also present in the taskbar. If we access more than one programs at a time or windows, like any folder, any file, any program that are seen in taskbar, the taskbar also displays the icons of programs that are currently opened. When we place the mouse pointer over an icon, a preview of program window is displayed. We can click an icon to quickly open the window of that program. Next thing is the notification area. In the notification area, it is present on the right side of the taskbar. It displays the current date and time, the volume button, and information about some computer settings. Now you know about the clock and show desktop buttons. The clock present in the notification area, that displays the current date and time also. If we want to change the date and time, then we can click on the clock. A dialog box appears on the screen. In that dialog box we can change the date and time, and after that click on the apply button and OK. It will change the date and time. The desktop, show desktop icons, it is present at the extreme right of the taskbar. When we click on that button, it minimize all opens window and shows the desktop. Now you know about the start button. It appears at the left side of the taskbar. It means the lower left corner of the desktop. When we click on that button, it opens the programs. It shows the programs list that are installed in our computer. when we require to open any program, we click on the start menu, a pop-up menu appears and the programs list also seen in that pop-up menu. Then we click on the required program, a program window appears on the screen. Next thing, that is the taskbar. Using taskbar, click on quick launch icon of the program on the taskbar. We can also use the program shortcut by double clicking on that icon. You see, when you open any window, it means any program, you see in that window the three buttons appears at the right upper corner. That three buttons shows to minimize, to restore and close the window. When we click on that button, it shows the results. Next thing is the screensaver. A screensaver is a moving image that appears on the monitor when the computer is not used for some time. This saves the screen from burning out. We can choose a screensaver and the time after which we want it to appear. So simply we right click on the empty area of the desktop and click on personalize option. In the window that opens, click on a screensaver option. The screensaver settings dialog box appears. Now we select the screensaver and specify the time before it starts in the wait box. After that we click on the preview button, the screensaver, and click on the OK button. The screensaver is saved. When we are not working on computer, then it appears on the screen. And the last thing is the shutting down of the window. When we click on the start button, the shutdown option appears. We simply click on the shutdown button. After the closing of all the programs which are appears or which are opened by us, the computer will shut down. It is the right process of shutting down of the computer. That's all.